Can you make a delicious coffee cake with no milk and no sugar? Well, yes, and we had to put it to the test. If you're becoming a little more mindful about what goes into your body, this simple recipe might be worth trying. Into an electric whisk, we added 1 tablespoon of melted butter, about 43 grams, and 1 egg. Whisk until nicely blended. Then add 2 tablespoons of Manuka honey, 50 milliliters of strong black coffee or espresso, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it another good whisk. Now add 1 cup of self-raising flour, about 130 grams, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Gently mix everything together until you have a smooth paste. For a little extra sweetness and texture, we added 2 tablespoons of raisins. Mix it all together, then transfer the mixture into a small lined cake tin. Pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 to 40 minutes until the top turns beautifully golden brown. And this is what came out. Honestly, goodness me. We were pleasantly surprised. The combination of that rich coffee flavour, sweet Manuka honey, a little zing from the lemon, and those chewy raisins, magical. It was soft, fragrant, and surprisingly delicious. And how long did the cake last? About 1 minute. Needless to say, we're definitely making this one again. So, are you trying to reduce your sugar intake or looking for alternatives to dairy? Give this a go, because sometimes you really don't need all that ultra-processed stuff from the supermarket to make something delicious. Would you try this coffee cake? Let us know.